and welcome to today's session on the visualization enhancements available in the Qlik since June 2020 release. Today we'll be discussing about the table enhancements, sparklines, bullet chart improvements, org chart enhancements, filter pane enhancements, and custom tooltips enhancements. Moving on to the table enhancements, we see that these enhancements are now available in the straight table and the pivot table. You have the ability now to highlight the rows when hovering over them and also change the font colors of these selected rows. Apart from that, now you can also change the width of your scroll bar from either small, medium or to large. The other improvement is in the spark lines, which is the further enhancements in the straight table. These are the mini charts included in the cells of these tables. You can now show your measure as per your choice of dimensions in the form of line, bar, dots or plus and minus signs. The next improvement is in the bullet chart, which is now part of the main chart library, and it is a good way to show your KPIs and other data in a neat and tidy manner. The next enhancement is in the org chart, wherein now you have two modes to view your data. One is the fully expanded mode, which showcases the complete hierarchy of your chart, and the other is the auto expand mode, which can increase, zoom in, zoom out, and also dynamically adjust itself to fit the screen. The next enhancement is in the filter panes, wherein now you can align your data in either left aligned, center aligned or right aligned alignment. The other major improvement is in the two custom tooltips, wherein apart from the existing multiple measures, you can now add custom titles and descriptions, which now support dynamic formulae and set expressions. You can now see that it has various measures along with title and descriptions, and this one over here has set expressions embedded. So these were the basic and the major visualization enhancements available in the June 2020 release. Reach out to us to know more. Thank you and have a good day.